Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. The Prime Minister's statement on China is creating political ripples nationally, of course, but it's also creating ripples here on the ground in Ladakh and playing out at the level of local politics. We're joined now by Namgyal Durbuk. He's associated with the Congress, but the reason that we're really talking to him is that he is a local political voice from the village of Durbuk, which is right next to Shyok. These are some of the last villages before the Galwan Valley area actually begins. So it's important to get that perspective from him. I'm hoping today you're talking not as a congressman but as a local Ladakhi from those areas. First, you can tell us a little bit about the village that you're from and how it's some of the last 3-4 villages before the Galwan Valley starts.
Yes, there's a last village is Durbuk and Shyok. Durbuk is the headquarters of 81 Brigade and 114 Brigade also. So it's 120 kilometers from Galwan. This is...
And that's your village?
Yes.
And tell us a little bit about what you have been picking up over the last couple of months and in particular the last week that has been so tragic for our military.
So, this is a very sad story because we lost our Jawan. So, this is a very loss for our country. The country lost 20 Jawan. These are not a joke at all. So, from 45 years, this type of casualties never happened in our borders. This is the biggest sadness for the country. Country lost our Jawan.
Yeah. And you see, now we are seeing China lay claim to the Galwan Valley, claiming that it's their territory, blaming India when we clearly know that the aggression was by the Chinese. We clearly know that the Chinese came inside, that they built tents and so on. So from the local people, what are you picking up as a local voice from that area?
Because China is very aggressive from last so many years. We are always talking, China policy is called 1-inch policies. They are always grabs our land each and every moment. We are always talking in a media. We always raise our voice. They are taking our land. Now. Look, the Galwan also. The Galwan, they are taking more than 10 to 11 kilometers lane in our lane. Before we are using pasture for the horses are going for the patrolling. So all horses, we are making a pasture land for horses. Now this gone for the China. Now they are putting camp over there. This is, I got from this porters, the porter is coming from Galwan Valley.
What are the porters from the Galwan Valley telling you?
So they are saying, because before they are putting tent, they are taking their horses towards those valley. Now they are Chinese are putting.
So where our horses used to pasture once upon a time, now you're saying the Chinese have put tents.
Yeah, Chinese are putting tents. This is the biggest issue for us.
And what are the local people saying to you? And how long has it been since you've been back to your village?
So, locals are too much worried. They are too much, they are not in a good position because communication is also cut off. So
phone lines are
phone line is not working from last 20 days. So this is the biggest issue. Local are always raising voice. Why the phone is cutting?
What would you want at this point to happen? Because, and I ask you again to speak as a local Ladakhi from that area, leaving Congress BJP politics to one side.
No, because local, government need to take confidence all locals, all Ladakhis. This is very important because Ladakh Scott Ladakh Scott is one of the best mountain warrior. I'm not talking the Ladakh Scott only. The all who are putting in a mountain, they are based in a mountain.
Mm-hmm. So what would you like the local population to be used for when you say that the government...
We are always for the country. We are ready. Government can declare anytime we are ready. We are in my village. There are some more than 70 to 80 porters working in our Galwan Valley, and more than 1,000 laborers in working in our GRIF border road organization.
And what are they saying to you? All of these porters and all of the people who are working in the border road organization, and we're just going to jump down here. What are they saying to you?
Because everybody is too much worry. The Chinese are working this type. He is encouraged lane day by day. Then this is the biggest issue. One fine day, they are coming towards my village. They are coming towards Shyok. This is the biggest worry for Ladakh.
And what are you picking up on the Pangong So Lake area, where there are there's no official account yet, but we have been picking up, of course, reports that the Chinese have been able to come up till what's known as Finger 4.
Yeah, because up to finger 8 is our lane. There's no issue at all.
Yes.
Now the people, now Chinese are occupies up to 4 fingers. This is, because, we are local are not going towards there, but, we can see the all lighted.
What can you see?
Because, all light is there only.
What do you mean by all lights, sir?
Lot light means, they are putting tented over there and putting light over there.
This you can see at Finger 4.
Yeah, finger 4. This is the biggest issue. This is the question for our media also. Sometimes they are talking, finger 4 to finger 8, there's a dispute. There's no dispute at all. Up to finger 8 is our lane, there's no dispute at all. Thereafter, finger up to finger 8, then we are going to patrolling. Okay, that is a dispute area. We can must say after finger 8 is our dispute
But
area.
up to Finger 8 is India.
Yes, it's our India, because so many doctors, they are going for pasture for vaccine,
Vaccinating
Yeah.
the locals?
locals, the goat and sheep before.
Oh, the animals.
Yeah.
Okay. And what are you picking up from these doctors?
So there, before, the 10 years back, they are going for their, pasture, all nomads are going there. They are going for the vaccine over there.
Yeah. So let me ask you finally, you're very worried about the situation. Now, the Prime Minister has said sacrifices of soldiers will not go in vain. But the government has also said that our territory has not been occupied. Now, China is claiming Galwan Valley today. And obviously this is nonsense. But what should happen now?
Because, if nothing is happened, then why the, armies are built up in the borders? If something has happened.
No, 20 soldiers have died. That has happened.
That has happened. Also armies are, now 133 brigade is coming here, 81 brigade is here, 114 brigade is here, and so many all armies movement towards the borders.
So let me ask you finally, what would you want the government to do, and what are the Ladakhi people feeling?
Yeah, because basically we need, border really need something very different, because the people of borders need take in a confidence, because they need light, they need communication, they need good health, they need everything. Up to now we have no light at all in my village. We are just depend on the solar system. How we expect, next to our, the Chinese side, the light over there, infrastructure is built up very well. So, we need also infrastructure. We need, we have to important all our infrastructure for army, for civilian, for border people. This is very important.
This is a very important point. Thank you, Namgyal Durbok. Speaking really today, not as a political voice, but as a local voice, saying whatever the government does decide to do next, you need to take the border population, the people who live in the villages that actually are on the edge of these hot zones, as it were, Galwan Valley or Pangong So, into confidence, make them part of the conversation, and the Ladakhi people saying, we are ready, it doesn't matter party affiliations, we are ready to stand with the country.